if Niall Horan's watching this, or even just One Direction, I'm a big fan. And Niall, I heard you like to burp and fart. I used to think I shouldn't do that on dates, but when I found out that you thought that was fun, I'm like, well, you're perfect for me because I like to do this stuff too. And this is a little glimpse to show you how it works. My burping. That was not even... That's what I get usually from drinking water. Oh.